My dream treehouse. I have a big dream of building a treehouse in my backyard. Today, I drew a picture of what I want it to look like. I want it to be colorful with a slide, a rope ladder, and a balcony to watch the stars. I imagined climbing up to my special place to read and play. I could invite my friends over for adventures. We would have tea parties and tell stories about pirates and treasure. I asked my dad if we could build it together. He said it would be a fun project. I felt excited just thinking about it. I even started collecting old wooden boxes to use as decoration. Having a tree house would be like having a secret hideout. I can't wait to make my dream come true. Building it will be a great adventure, and I know I'll learn a lot. I hope to start soon.